So I'm running a bit behind today, so I figured I would throw together a quick dinner. We're doing a teriyaki chicken rice bowl with some marinated cucumbers, and it's really easy, delicious, a crowd pleaser at my house. So we're gonna throw that together. Let's get started because I don't have much time.
The first thing you do is grab some rice and toss it in. Zach likes basmati, so that's what we're making today. Give it a quick rinse, or a couple rinses, until the water's running clear. And then fill it up to your first knuckle.
Toss it in the rice cooker and then just wait till it's done.
And to save time, we've grabbed some chicken thighs, and then just season them with salt. Toss them in a bowl or a container, and then make a teriyaki sauce. Soy, sesame oil, rice vinegar, ginger, garlic. Top that off with some honey. Then blend it all together. Or you can microplane it and whisk it if you want. Alright, once it's done, you're just going to add this to your chicken, and then let that marinate for as long as you can. We're in a time crunch, so we're only doing like 15-20 minutes. But an hour plus is usually the best. After you've waited as long as you can, grab a pan, add some oil, and over medium heat, add your chicken in. What I'm doing right here is overcrowding my pan. This is to show you what not to do. So don't overcrowd your pan, and then cook those, getting some color, letting the sugars caramelize, and making them all nice and neat. Once they're cooked through, remove them from the heat, and in the same pan, drop in your teriyaki. Bring it up to temp and add a cornstarch slurry. This is just going to thicken it up and make it really nice. Once the cornstarch is gelatinized, give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning. As long as it tastes good to your palate, you're set. Then all you have to do is add the chicken back into the thickened teriyaki sauce. Oh yeah, and in the downtime, we made some marinated cucumbers, which I just threw together some cucumbers with salt and sugar, then added some soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, and sesame oil. Microplane some garlic, add some chives and some sesame seeds. Mix it up and then let it sit for a bit. These are really tasty on their own, so I always make a bit extra so I can snack on them. And then before serving, I like to garnish the chicken with a little bit of green onions and sesame seeds. And then when you're ready to eat, just grab a bowl of rice, add the chicken and the cucumbers, and then also top it with a little bit of chili crisp for that extra kick. Alright, so here's the teriyaki chicken. It's a really tasty weeknight meal, and it's a fairly healthy crowd pleaser. The recipe will be in the description below, and join me every Tuesday and Thursday on Twitch, where we make some meals and have some fun. Be safe, and I'll see you soon.